interrupted with the cl32 Library DLL blocking localized application logic 32-bit workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our guide for cl32 library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the cl32 library, a specialized crypto library 32-bit. It provides unmanaged localized routines for localized encryption and localized key management, facilitating the localized secure data link for localized 32-bit specialized applications. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. cl32 acts as a vital connection for localized application logic 32-bit operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered cl32 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for cl32 Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to cl32 library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching cl32 library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.